Around the walls of Jericho, around the walls of Jericho, around the walls of Jericho, the army went. When the people made us on, when the people made us, when the people made us, ah! He pretty enough batty foot, man, but look. He pretty enough, but our country. This look like me there, yard. This look like a Jamaica me there. Watch it. Watch it. Awesome. Stink to, you know, say I really country. When every corner you take, you know, brother, every corner you take, you see one backside police car, sheriff, police, country police, state police, every corner I take me see one police. So I can't even take up before. A while ago, you see me a vlog a while ago. No, look at it. Look, I show you everything what's going right now. Viewers and subscribers what's going. For all who new to the channel, your boy migrate come America, right? But look at this. This don't look like a country, me there. Look, just look. Now look, look around. From everywhere. Look. Oh, look at it. Yeah, me just come out and me kind of walk around like a madman. Honestly, me just look at everything and I say, no, what is not this going on right here, so? What have over here, so have the shooting, whatever. What name? High country shooting sport. See it there? High country shooting sport. We don't know what to like a strike. You know, market. You know, make everybody walk, honestly. But it's a walk and look around. It's all about to rain. And the way you come in here, people. Peak, sport, shine. What the hell? Look at them. Everything over the country. Be a van. Be a bush. No. I'm glad I can't go back with Jamaica. With Jamaica, at least it look like somewhere. Bomba. No. But welcome to the vlog. Thanks for hitting 4,000 subscribers. We're on the road to 10,000 subscribers. And right now, we need to go halfway. So we're 4K. We want to reach 5K now. Halfway. So like the video, people. And let's go for the vlog. And people look at me, I don't care about bush. This is our bush. Rascal, I be a dog back after me a while ago. This woman saw my park, like, place I'm park in front of this woman there look at me a while ago, not too long, you know. I'm just park, she pre me. I said, well, no, look good. Anyways, like I showed you the journey, like, you see the journey I'm going to take for come out, you see the journey coming this way, people. The journey coming this way, I was looking at the roads and everything, and trust me, yo, this look like when you drive go Ochi or you drive go Mobi if you go beach. You see me, I say, see the one that make you go down some steep hill, when I go see it, I go back on the road. Like the video if you don't like it, please subscribe if you are new here. You understand me? We post every single day on this channel. Because I reach 10,000 subscribers this year. So we reach 4,000, we reach the 4K now, we are go for 10K. But first reach 5K, so like and subscribe. Let's go for the vlog. The vlog, peeps. You see me? We have a Circle K right there, so right? Me have some gas station I never seen in my life yet. Look at them, so them gas station I live so good. The one you saw one over here, so what the one I name? Them I live so good. Yeah, Circle K, yeah, so what is? Flip 66. You know I live good though. And I'm in Jamaica, that can't happen. Watch it, bush. Live in bush, these people. Me not hide and talk. On the road. Watch it. Come against a green light, me I get paid for change. What a bush people, no man, watch it. Them stoplights don't have no camera upon them. Normally stoplights them have camera upon them. You know what I mean? So you see when they are breaking law, them stoplights don't have no camera upon them stoplights. So me want to know what a like a strike. Look on the road. This is like when they are Mobile drive for the big broad pretty road at Mobile. Or Ochi. No man. But we're going for the vlog people. Show you what it look like. Watch it, bush. Bush. Bush palm bush. Bush palm bush. When me I use my bush phone, I must that me I go start singing. This is just like coming there Mobile drive to backside. But more I show you some more prettier bush them, so I'm gonna cut the camera right and put it on back on the reaching at the bush. And more prettier bush. Can bush be prettier? Me saw damn full sometime, I know. But anyway, when I reach the bush part place them, I go turn on back the camera, you understand? So for now, oh, that's look nice. And it go about to rain. I walk up, I come out of the car and the rain for showing them bush from bush because our ambulance that. The ambulance is big like a... Watch the school bus. Jesus, man. I'm turning off the camera because I chat too much. One police car fly past you, right? You see the normal police? No. Sheriff. Country sheriff, right? I say no, say a real bush there in a dog. But it's alright. Let me switch the lane and go over here so back of the car, yeah. I want to show them the bush pan bush. Look on the side of the road, on the wall. But see me, I say, dog. Look on the car dirty, like, you know, when dirt upon car back, watch it. No. But look there, you know, they dig out the highway, they build some new highway. The new highway 2000 when they dig out the side of the road. You see me? Look on bush. They're not even green, them burn up. A country this that. No, man. School bus, no immigrant, no way. No, sir. Bush pan bush. Bush. Bush pan bush. Go on with the car in the bossy. Bumbo. You know, say a country is don't have one KFC over a corner in one place.
Continue on State Road'em for 5 miles.
But now one KFC each up over one corner in one part around, so. Actually, KFC each up around one corner, so you know, say a country. Actually, sheriff out there say, yeah, man, I see a piece of Babylon, boy. All them gas station, I never see them when I bush this in the dog and the sheriff see me on my phone now. Jesus Christ. Him stop me now, you know. Him tap me, you know. I nearly get catch now. Yes, no, I get catch now. Stink to, you know, say I really country when every corner you take, you know, brother. Every corner you take, you see one backside police car. Sheriff, police, country police, state police. Every corner I take me see one police. So I can't even take up before. A while ago, you see me a vlog a while ago. Sheriff. I'm put on the phone one next sheriff. So me I say wait there. If the one don't stop me, the one here go stop me. Now me I drive and watch it. One sheriff that I drive past me, I go in the direction. Him see me I talk to myself. If you see my phone, I come phone there done there so. He might go turn back and say, oh, what you talk to? I be a police now. Country. No man. Me see what show you when I stop so I stop the car, I can't come out of my car, me show you. But when me I drive, me not take out back my camera because watch a big dirty piece of truck here. You don't see me driving truck, boy? Anyways, when me come on for the phone before the Babylon them stop me. Country. This need crowning. Me never dare tell them back, but look on them, look on them. It's pretty, you know. Me not like that's why I take out the camera and they look pretty. Let me go look nice music and set it up nice. Ooh. Around the walls of Jericho, around the walls of Jericho, around the walls of Jericho, the army went. When the people made us on, when the people made us, the walls fell down. Me know the police were in a sound, me know, man. Watch there, pretty not bitty no man, pretty not big, pretty not batty foot man, but look, it's pretty enough, but our country. This look like me there, yeah. This look like a Jamaica me there. Watch it. Watch it. Awesome. Alright. Shut up, man. You chat too much. So, before I was... Why you get so dark, brother? Before I was really interrupted. We find like some of what I know. Someone nice. See there? Girl marks. Yeah. But no, but the country still there. Look here. See it there? This is going to be the thumbnail. A country, this dog, this is not foreign. Look there. There you go. But there's something there, Yo, you know, I try to, you know, when I can show somebody something, but yeah, this is not exaggeration you like. I'm a madman, you know. I know I'm a madman. But for real, yo, like, trust me, I hustling with them partners. See me, I say I do the hustling, I juggle, I see me, money we are making at the same time. But I read somewhere, yo, I look on that place and I say, no, man, that place a look diff. You see me, so I have to make a one video about it. You know, I never get for show no much because I got interrupted again. So, maybe me like, I don't know. I still upload it for the so I go on because every day we post. So you don't know, so I have a video for upload every day. So people subscribe Why the breeze are blow so hard? I know the North Street here, man. I'm not helping out. I see them have that the mic, the foot. Yeah. Like the video and subscribe, yeah, man. I'm gone left. You see me, I say pick up on the set. Well, if I have my camera, what I do? I eat that, you know, that. You know me, I eat that. Like if you're there,